This Andean Superfood video is the first part in a series that I'm doing on diet and lifestyle that will allow you to maximize brain and body health, particularly for plant medicine investitures, so that you can ground the experiences that you're having and optimize the body and the brain to maximize the potential from those types of experiences and any other transformative experience. This particular salad is built around an Andean superfood that is a blue-green algae that comes from the pristine lakes in the area, and studies have suggested that it is possibly the most nutrient-dense food on the entire planet, and it is full of all sorts of phytochemicals and whatnot that can protect against cancer and all sorts of other maladies, as well as strengthening pretty much every system in your body. So let's get into it. So we start with 3 cheeses. I don't always use them all. This one, which is sort of a Parmesan type cheese that is sold at all of the cheese vendors. It's amazing. It's like really good Italian Parmesan cheese. This one's kind of a yeasty, salty cheese, so I use it to compensate for salt and to add some zest and zing, because it's very, very salty, but it brings salads and eggs and stuff to life. And this is the classic Andino cheese. This is the favorite of all of the locals. Of course, we have to have an avocado for brain and heart health. And then these beautiful wildflowers. Some of them are probably domestic, but incredibly healthy and delicious and gives the salad a lot of color. This is an Andean lake algae from the high country, and it has a tremendous number of benefits, including without some seaweed. You can find this at every single fish vendor in the Sacred Valley area. Some wonderful olives, and this is a wow. Holy mother of God, I had no idea that it did. Look at that. Wow, the seeds shot all the way across the room. Will it do it again? So that's how you open them? You just squeeze it and just, wow, man, that's wild. So this part is edible, and so you either scrape it out or just eat it out of the pod. And so we have alfalfa sprouts, absolutely essential. Go ahead and place those now. Microgreens. Where would you be without your microgreens? Our salad base is a mixture, mesclun, romaine, nice green salad base, right? And then we added the sprouts, and so next, throw a few of these guys in there. You do have to peel. ¿Qué es el nombre de este?
Caigua silvestre.
¿Cómo?
Caigua silvestre.
Caigua silvestre?
Sí.
¿Es para ensaladas?
Sí, ensalada, ajiaco, retirar la semilla y sacar esta parte dura, la semilla, y poner a sancochar un poquito.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Y hacer
okay.
ensaladita.
Okay. You do have to peel them open to eat them, and they kind of taste like a cucumber, and they also explode and send seeds flying around the room, apparently sometimes. An often overlooked superfood ingredient, particularly for improved cognition due to the choline that helps in fat transit in the brain, omega-3 acids, B12 for energy, protein, an amazing, amazing superfood. These are locally sourced, dehydrated trout eggs. And then locally made honey Dijon mustard for dressing. And so let's put it all together. And
my country boner, it won't go down, it won't go down, it won't go down. My boner, my boner.
that is absolutely absolutely beautiful. By the way, guests at our retreat will be served this salad every day, except for this final ingredient. So the final optional ingredient, tender, delicious, fatty, flavorful pieces of goat. Do me a favor, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and consider supporting us on Patreon. And thank you so much for watching.
I fucked Dolly Parton, I fucked Loretta Lynn, I fucked Barbara Mandrell, and I fucked all of her kin. I fucked Minnie Pearl, I fucked Elvis Presley's little girl. I fucked the Judds, I fucked the Judds. My country boner, it won't go down, it won't go down, it won't go down. My boner, my boner, my boner won't go down, it won't go down, it won't go down. My country boner, it won't go down. Fucked Willie Nelson, I fucked him deep inside. I fucked Elvis Presley in the bathroom where he died. I fucked 2 hours